Alright, hello. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel English with Adrian, helping you master English and discover the world. Today, let's do a vocabulary boost and talk about I understand and different ways of saying it. So, someone says something, a comment, asks a question or gives an idea, and you want something else other than I understand. So, of course, naturally, makes sense. Or even, I get you. I get you. I grasp the idea you're talking about. I get you. Or I get you. I get you. Why not? A rhetorical question. Why not? ¿Sí por qué no? Why not? Because it's a rhetorical question, rhetorical meaning you don't need to answer it, it's just given as an expression. So rhetorical. Rhetorical. No need to answer. It's just given as a sentence, as a statement. Why not? Or I have heard worse ideas. Worse ideas. Or I have could be I've heard worse ideas. I've heard worse ideas. I've never heard better ideas, but I've heard worse ideas. So it's definitely a good idea if it's up here. Or simply, good idea. Nice and simple, straightforward. Good idea. Very good. And the 6 and 7 are interesting because I hear you, I see you. Very much to I get you. But these two are more the psychology behind these two words, hear and see. Hear and see. Very powerful and crazy in its own way. If people use a lot of auditory words, I heard an idea, for example, or I saw something, I heard a rumour, I saw an article about something, I read something, I read an article, I read this in this newspaper, or I heard a news report, I heard on the radio. By using these kind of words that are like kinematic words, these actionable words, these verbs in a way, see, hear, felt, and I think touch, then you can really build a bit of rapport with the people. So if this person uses a lot of auditory words, like hear, and you then use it back to him, I hear you, is showing you understand and helping to build rapport. Or I see you, someone uses a lot of visual words, is very visual in their thinking and psychology. I see you, I hear you, I see you. And number 8 is interesting. Definitely, yes, 100%. But you can also shorten definitely to Deffo. D-E-F-F-O. Deffo. Definitely we need to go there. Definitely need to do that. Definitely I agree with that. Or Deffo. Nice bit of slang. Deffo. And 9, exactly. Precisely that. Exactly. You want to go to a party? Exactly. That's precisely what I want to do. I want to go to a party. Precisely. And 10. Yes. But it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Yes. Or yeah. 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 Yes. Yes. Yeah. In fact, it's the same with any of these, really. How you say it. Of course. How you say it affects its meaning as well. Good idea. Good idea. Good idea. I hear you. I hear you. Oh, I see you. I see you. Definitely. Definitely? Deffo. Deffo? Or why not? Why not? Like, of course, why not? And then you could go, why not? Why not? Ah. So yes and yeah, depending on how you say them. How you say them. Very powerful. Yeah. So that's pretty nice, isn't it? So, of course, I get you. Why not? I've heard worse ideas. I've heard worse ideas. Good idea. I hear you. I see you. Definitely. Defo. Exactly. Exactly. Yes and yeah. Very good. How cool is that? And if you want to keep learning English, to master English and discover the world, hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.